Counting in groups. Stanley, look at this drawer. Stanley, first sort out the articles. That is, make groups according to how they look. That's great. Now we classify them. These are erasers. These are pencils. And these are crayons. Wow, Starry! You are really good at sorting and classifying. Oh no, Starry! Your room is in such a mess. Look! Your books, teddy bears, cars, dolls are all scattered on the ground. We need to arrange all these things properly. Here, take this basket. Keep all your toys in it. Good. Now, these books need to be kept neatly. Keep them on the shelf, Starry. Very good. Now the floor looks clean. But look at the table. There are crayons and pencils all over the table. Let's keep the pencils in this pencil holder. That's good. Now keep the crayons in that box. Great job, Starry. Look at your clean and neatly arranged room. Starry, did you realize something? You have just made groups. A group of toys, group of books, a group of crayons, and a group of pencils. A group is a collection. If you look around you, we can make groups of many types using a common shape, color, size, or use. Let us do something interesting. Here are some fruits and vegetables on the table. There are carrots, apples, brinjals, bananas, spinach, and a bunch of grapes. Let us arrange the fruits in this fruit basket. Now we will put the vegetables in the vegetable tray. watermelons are kept in separate groups. This vegetable vendor has also neatly arranged the various vegetables according to their type. Hey, look at these groups of children. They are wearing blue caps, red caps, green caps and yellow caps. All of them are standing in separate lines. So, these are groups according to color. Let's go to this sweet shop. There are some tasty cakes, biscuits and pastries arranged in different groups according to their taste. This uncle has some kites in his shop. He has kept the kites according to their size and shape. So Starry, I'm sure it was fun learning how to make groups. Starry, you enjoy counting numbers, right? Look, here are so many yummy mangoes. There are 2 groups of mangoes. Can you tell me which group has more mangoes? Oh, this one. Are you sure? Come, let us check it. We will first count the mangoes in this group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 50, 51, 52, 53 and 54. Now let us count the mangoes in the other group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 50, 51 and 52. Oh, Starry, your answer was wrong. 54 is more than 52. So this group has more mangoes. Now, Starry, here is a group of strawberries. Aman and Javed have their own methods of counting them. Let us take a look at each one's method. Aman starts counting the strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23 strawberries. Now Javed counts the strawberries, but his method is different. Look what Javed is doing. He is making groups of 10. One group, one more group, and 3 single strawberries. Now he counts them as 10, 20, and then 3 more. 21, 22, 23. 23 strawberries. What do you think, study? Whose method is easier? Oh, you like Javit's method. Even I like Javit's method of making groups of 10. Study, we are going to use this method ahead to count the objects. Study, what have you done? Why have you put so many fishes into this tank? It's very crowded. And this tank has just a few fishes. When we look at the two tanks, study, this tank has no fishes. And in this tank, the fishes are less as compared to that tank. More fishes, less fishes. But study, the tank with more fishes has less shells in it. 1, 2 shells. Only 2 shells. Oh, and the tank with less fishes has more shells in it. 1, 2, 3, 4 shells. More shells, study. Less shells, more shells. Even the water plants are different, study. This tank has more plants in it. In this tank, the plants are much less. More plants, less plants. Study, you are smart. I forgot the oxygen bubbles. This tank has more bubbles in it. And this tank has less bubbles. More bubbles, less bubbles. Study, there is another way to find out the difference between more and less. Look at this board. On this side, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fish. On the other side, there are 1, 2 fish. Now let's form 1-to-1 pairs. 1 fish to 1 fish. The second fish to the next fish. Now we still have 3 unpaired fish on this side. So we say more fish and less fish. Now here are some starfish. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 starfish on one side and 1, 2, 3, 4 starfish on the other side. Let's make 1-to-1 pair, study. Look, there are no extra starfish. The starfish on both sides are the same. So we say both sides have equal starfish. And here, study, are some shells. 1, 2 shells. And 1, 2, 3, 4 shells. Let's make the 1-to-1 pairs. We have 2 shells remaining on this side, study. So we say less shells, more shells. Let's do an activity together. Say which side has more and which side 3, 4, 5, 6 frogs. 1, 2, 3 frogs. The side that has 6 frogs starring has more frogs, and the side with 3 has less frogs. And now birds. 1, 2, 3 birds. 1, 2 birds. More birds, less birds. Here we have some flowers starting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flowers. Study. Here the number of flowers on both sides is the same. And now some butterflies. 1, 2, 3 butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4 butterflies. Less butterflies, more butterflies. So study, you have now learned to identify more and less. More means a lot of objects. Less means a few objects. Here is an activity for you. The dots here are numbered from 1 to 100. We have to join the dots in the correct order from 1 to 100. Let's see what shape it forms. Also read the numbers loudly. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42,